This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Tara Dixon. Welcome home to this completely renovated 3-1 block construction, located just across the street from Tampa Bay. An open floor plan with limited water views give the home a spacious feel. The 2020 hurricane impact storm windows allow ample light, revealing the luxury waterproof vinyl flooring which runs throughout. Your kitchen boasts updated granite countertops, solid wood cabinetry with new hardware, 2020 upgraded appliances, and subway tile backsplash. This theme transfers into the bathroom with an updated granite vanity and vessel sink. Matching subway tile for the shower enclosure provides a continuous feel. 2020 upgraded plumbing and electrical fixtures throughout, paired with new interior/exterior paint, give a modern vibe, yet timeless style. Keep utilities and insurances low with 2020 HVAC, 2020 roof, see attached wind mitt report, 2020 water heater. Washer and dryer hookups located in utility closet off of kitchen. Your pets will enjoy the fenced-in backyard on this nearly quarter-acre lot. Water enthusiasts look no further. Room to park boat and launch across the street, or paddle to the pier. This location has it all. Bike downtown, short drive to Street Pete Beach, or walk to the lake, options are abound. Tropicana Stadium, Central Avenue, Downtown Street Pete, Boyd Hill Nature Preserve and I-275 on-ramp are all a short distance away. Driveway epoxy coated 6-22, PVC waistline plumbing. 4-point inspection report available. Buyer to verify all measurements. For more information, review the details.